Hey Smart users, Kyle here again. Welcome to the Smart Table Interactive Learning Center introduction video. Have you heard the buzz about one of the newest and most innovative additions to the elementary classroom, the Smart Table? Yes, it's a multi-user, multi-touch surface that kids love to interact with. K-3 teachers are often trying to create activities that back up concepts created in earlier lessons. And usually in the past, this meant using construction paper, glue, and scissors, and many hours to create these manipulatives. Now, using the Smart Table Toolkit software, you can create these quickly and easily. Let's have a look at a couple of these applications so you can get a feel for what I'm talking about. You can use hotspots when students need to attach multiple labels to an image. This works well in a science lesson where a diagram needs to be labeled, or in a geography activity where kids need to figure out where different countries or cities are on a map. When customizing hotspots, you can choose the images, its labels, and where the labels should end up. When the students drag the right label to the right spot, it clicks into place and turns green. Another application, multiple choice, gets students to work as a team as they drag correct answers to the center of the table. Depending on the activity, all students, a majority of the students, or the first student with the correct answer can advance the table to the next question. You can customize the question, correct answers, and distractors, and include images in the activity if you want. You can use this application in a language arts lesson where kids have to identify parts of speech, or you might want to focus on math or science questions. You can find more in-depth videos on smarttech.com, links in the bottom bar. Smart Sync now comes installed on the Smart Table interactive surface. How can this be used in a classroom? Among other things, the Smart Sync allows you to lock down, monitor, or take screenshots from the Smart Table. So that's it for this week, but there are training and certifications for the Smart Table happening in the not-so-distant future. There's one in New York City happening October 7th and 8th. For the question this week, I thought I would see how many of you have a Smart Table in your classroom or in your school, and how has it affected the way you teach. As always, links for everything in the bottom bar. So there has been some questions in the comments section about where this link section is. If you're watching this video in YouTube, you should see a bar like this, and just make sure you hit the little down arrow and all the links will show up for you. Make sure that, as always, you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the like button, and unless there's any questions, class dismissed.